You searched how to buy shares of Sunborn International Oyj. Sunborn operates in maritime hospitality and floating hotel projects. It trades on CBOE under the ticker SBI.HE, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will usually need to verify your account with a government ID and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SBI.HE to find the listing. Select the result that matches Sunborn International Oyj to open its asset page. On the asset page, check the short company description and the price chart to confirm this is the correct stock. Verify the issuer name shows Sunborn International Oyj and the ticker SBI.HE. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it completes. After the transaction, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to review the platform used in this demonstration.